Hello guys, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channel. So share, subscribe, and do not forget the press the bell icon. So today we are cover of here the basic fundamental of IRADAS imaging. It is overview of the how it is exactly working. So let's we start now the overview of the image IRADAS in 2016. So first of all, we can see here, you can look here the 2D viewer. Here is option is available. You just click on that. So one by one I explaining that. So let's start with the software overview and the some basic functions. IRADAS imaging support the different types of file formats and different imaging data. So one by one we are looking here the basic fundamental of IRADAS. You can look here the on the top of having the standard menu bar functions. You can look here we are applying just this area having standard menu bar functions. So you can one by one using all these functions, just like home, manage data, raster, vector, train, toolbox, help. So everything already available on the top of menu bar. So not required to searching and finding the where is that menu, and just very simple and very easy to presenting front of you. Then second option is here TOC. This is the table of content. So in between this portions is a table of content, TOC. In between having your raster data, your vector data, your 2D viewer, 3D viewer, all you can functioning on that. All detail information cover of this area. So in central you can look here. This is a central, this area having viewer panels. So or we can call also the display window viewer. In between having we are displaying our experimental image result, images, raster images, vector images. So as our requirement we can view on this place. Just we start here the home, we go to the home, just look one by one home, and just applying some basic information to cover up here, just adding, just right, look here, contents, metadata. You are having options, it is visible after you selecting the some raster data to adding in this, that time it is visible. So selecting inquiry, measure, having the cut, copy, paste, previous span, it is using for the moving image here and there. So just we importing some one files. Just click on the 2D view, right click on that. This TOC table of contents having click the 2D viewer, you can see here, right click on that, open raster layer. We just add here one data. Basically you can look here just file names. So first by default imaging IRADAS imaging by default extension is image img. So in having the number of file formats available, we are finding here the tip file. So we are importing that. We can look here, this is a tip, in between having number of files. So we just select the one band and open it. Just select this home menu, and it is having this span. So just moving like that here. So here option is disable option is visible here, so you can look here. You can also check the one by one center to point out that pixel. I'll be explain next tutorial in this. So you can just cover up this like. So this today's this practicals we are just cover the basic home menu. So in between having a number of options to applying on that image data. This hand for using to moving image here, and one place to another place to moving on the your window view. Then you can click to fit frame. It is just click on that, it is perfectly fit on the x and y position, just these two portions. So this fitting the properly on our window. Then next options we are available here, the set the display scale, and like that. Suppose you are focus on particular target area, so you just click on that, and you can also reset that zoom, reset zoom rotations. Then you can also add the base map here, aerial imaging, but it's required to the bring keys and terapixel access key. These tutorials I will cover on the next part. So next just click on the right raster data, and just you can see here the display attributes table. Just click on that. The table show the digital number value of the image by rows and columns. So here you can see, just drag and drop that data, and we are looking. So you can see here rows and values and histograms. So also you can right click on that and applying on some assignment. So how to finding the uh, attribute table value of pixels. So you can just right click on that your raster data, and just first options having available or display raster display attribute tables. One more options is available here, you can metadata here, right click on that, just look the metadata. You can see here the metadata is also open that raster files. So it gives the full information about that files, lang lot positions, general file information, layer info information, statistical informations, then map pixels, then the projection coordinations, so which place data is having that. Then second is the projections, projection in between having the UTM, uh, projection WGS 84s, and all details are explored, just so you can see here. Third option is histogram. This image histograms, it is a basic initial stage of information about that raster data. So just x and y position, the histograms are displaying on that. Then next option is the pixel data. So that image having the pixels we are understanding the which place and what types of informations. Then tile information, just click on that. You can see here the tile information, intergraph, geotiff keys. Then next, properties of that files. So by using a very simple way to we cover the information, just right click on that image and you get here information about that files, where downloading these files and what is the name of that data. So number of options are available, but times levels is very low for us. So next tutorials we are cover up the lots of finds. So do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It is called Do It New, and also press the bell icon so I continuously update notification I provide you. So thank you guys.